Hello and welcome to a new one. Today we're handling a YouTube API, which means we're going with YouTube Data API. And because I want to make this video a lot more interesting, we're gonna do it live. Because I don't know how to use YouTube API, my bad. So first things first, let's get my head out of the way, because I'm too big for this image. What do you need? So for this I'm using Firefox. You can use any browser you want. Besides this, you're gonna need Postman or any kind of API testing tool. I'm gonna create a new collection, of course. Let's go with YouTube API. Okay, in which we're gonna create some requests. But first, let's see how we can create some requests. So we're going back to Google. We're gonna search YouTube API, because that's how anybody should do it. You wanna learn about Google API, you have to search for YouTube API. So if you go onto the first link, you can see here there are also code samples for the YouTube API. Let's see. So we got channel lists or video inserts, but we don't want to use that one. So let's go with the overview of the YouTube API. Of course, you're gonna need a Google account to use this one. I'm gonna get to that in a few seconds. Besides this, let's look at some samples. Okay, I think we can use list by channel ID. List my channel. Let's see. For example, try this API. Call this method to on live data to see the API request and response. Snippet, content details, statistics, category, username, and so on and so on. So we're using this one. Of course, you're gonna need some credentials. YouTube is part of Google, so Google Auth 2.0 provides authentication access to an API. Also, an API key is the unique string that lets you access that API. Let me see. Just 1 second. If we go to youtube.com and we search for no thanks, I don't want to see that. No thanks. QAGuy. We want to have a look at this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're gonna get this channel ID, and as you can see here, try this API. So you can use it right here. We're gonna use my ID, execute. Of course, in order for you to use that, I mentioned you need an API key. So we're gonna need to log in. OfficialQaGuy. Let's see if I remember my password. Okay. Okay, this says I need to receive a code on my phone. Just a few seconds, because my phone is locked and loaded. I'm still getting nothing. Okay, we're gonna get with SMS. Let's see if I get the SMS. Okay, I already got the SMS. It's 420182. Next. Allow. And as you can see over here, it already executed my my request. Okay, and you can see it over here. This is the YouTube channel list with the items that I have in my channel. So of course, if you take a look, let me just see if I can make this bigger. No, it doesn't want me. Okay, over here, get back here. It retrieves all the content related playlists, statistics, view count. You see here I'm at 73,807 view count. Subscriber count right now is 2,120 subscribers, and video count is 44. So let's see the code. As you can see over here, you can see the code is written really just like this. And if you wanna take the easy way, then you can do importing Postman. So as you can see over here, Postman has the option to drag and drop any of the formats below, which is OpenAPI, ROML, GraphQL, curl, WADL, or upload files directly. Okay, I want to paste a curl raw text. Okay, let's see. As you can see, for example, the part that I want to retrieve is snippet, content details, and statistics, your API key. Let's see. Of course, this will not work, as you can see, because I already mentioned I wanted to see if you were watching. It says here that your API key, for example, this has to be replaced with your own API key. But if we go over here, let's see if I can see. Okay, so my API key is not showing, but I can do it like this. So I can connect to my account. Let's see, how can I get my API key? Okay. Let's see. API key. Get an API key. Go to project selector. This is usually pretty basic. I think I already did that for, if I'm not mistaken, I already did this for the Google API video. Okay, I don't want to search anything else. Okay, let's see. API credentials. Select the project, create the project, my project, blah blah. I don't really care, because I'm not gonna be using it for anything else, just for the purpose of this video. In a few seconds, as you can see, my project is being created. And is being loaded. No API key. Create credential, API key. Of course, you're not gonna be able to see this because I don't want you to use my API key, but we're gonna copy it and then we're gonna go to Postman, and where it says here your API key, we're gonna replace it. Click send, and of course you're gonna need also the out to access Toast. I think it's easier just to show you because I don't want to create both requests, but in this case I'm gonna show you with their sample. So for example, you can just log in here and you can put let's see, list by what? List by keyword snippet. Okay, and let's say surfing. Okay, anything else? Execute. Of course, you're gonna be asked to allow, and you can see over here YouTube search results. We are searching for surfing snippet, which is in this case keyword surfing. You are presented with results for surfing. If I could get this back. Thumbnails, channel title, which means the YouTube channel. Then we go to another one, thumbnails, and then we go to channel title. Let's see if we can put this snippet. Let's see, part string. Okay. What if we do it like this? So I'm gonna search for my own channel. Okay, and execute. QAGuy, location parameter. Of course, not here. Snippet. And here, where was it? Surfing. Here. We're gonna execute 200. Okay, and if you look over here, oh god damn it, I hate how this is showing. Can I make this larger? Oh god damn it, why was I doing this like this? Okay, let me close the search bar. For example, if you look at what I did, I actually filled only the requested parameters, in this case part, which is a snippet, and max 25 results, and then only the keyword, which is QAGuy in this case, and it already shows me some of the results. And as you can see over here, this channel ID belongs to me, as I'm searching for my own. And then let's see, as you can see here, this is one of the videos. Let's talk money, software engineer jobs. Let's go to this one in the new, and this is the thumbnail, for example. Let's go below. This is the OfficialQaGuy online tests, and this is the URL for the thumbnail. You can zoom in if you want, but you're not gonna understand much thing because it's a really small thumbnail. As you can see, it stores all the thumbnails in different sizes. I think this one is the biggest. Okay. Yeah, this is the biggest thumbnail they store. So, this was it. You wanna do something else? You wanna see something else? Just go here to samples. What do you wanna use? What do you wanna see? You wanna search for something? You wanna use this API for something else? I don't know, channel subscription, retrieve, update a video, search for videos related to a keyword. You can do whatever you want. You have all the samples here to data API. You also have these videos here, which are really important because they show you how you can do all these things that I already just show you. So don't forget, if you want to use the YouTube API, you need to generate yourself an YouTube API key, and first but not second, not least important, you need to make the request so you get the token. This is not the token, so here you need to have the better is already written, the access token, which is generated via a different request. But in this video we're not gonna do that because I don't want to waste your time. So I hope this was useful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye.